I wake up early. I wake up early. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I get up slowly. I get up slowly. I make my bed. I make my bed. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I check my phone. I check my phone. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I drink water. I drink water. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I lock the door. I lock the door. I leave the house. I leave the house. I start my day. 5P English.